Coming up on African Mimi. All those that are new, welcome. If you're a regular subscriber, thank you for your support. Hope you enjoy my video, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to do some big bantu knots, just something you can keep for the week. Like normally, guys, I do my hair and I get tired. I'm not gonna lie, I mustn't lie to you that natural hair is not for the faint-hearted. It's tiring. Okay, I don't know for you guys, but for me, so I went bald in 2020 October. So since then, I told myself I'm not gonna let anybody touch my hair. And I went to the salon once to blow dry my hair, and I was so shocked. I was like, hey, so my hair can be this long just by me doing myself. Like this hair right now is just 1 year. 1 year, 5 months. What are you talking, or are you listening? Guys, I'm so happy. Look, this hair is 1 year, 5 months. These are like juicy twists. I like doing this twist outs that normally last me like a week. I'm not so harsh when it comes to like maintaining my hair. I'm quite gentle. My hair is growing like a plant. Like I just watering it. It's just like flourishing.
You are number one. I don't know no 2 or 3, but I know you that one.
Like, you'll be surprising me or more. This thing now. Now sure. Or I just want to show you guys like bantu knots and stuff. It's very simple. We start off by doing twists. So let me show you an example how I did this twist. Okay, you have to open from down. So this is pretty much the hair before twists, So it's easy, guys. Separate it in two and just twist. Literally. Other people prefer twisting here, twist. Twist here, twist. But it's just unnecessary work. So just twist. Literally, guys. If you feel like it's not enough, you take from the other one. Done. That's my twist. Can you see? You need some elastic bands. I got this from a China shop. Guys, these things are cheap. Come on. They were how much? I think 10 rand. Yeah, it's not even $1. There's so much. You grab your twist. Okay, you don't need this now. You grab your twist, hold it at the root, then you twist. You twist up until you twist the ends. You see? So to seal it, baby girl or baby boy, whoever's watching, you take your, what is this thing called? Loop bands. You take your loop bands. Loop. Oompa loompa getting bump. Channeling the chocolate factory. Okay, you take your loop bands. Then you just seal it. So I go in like probably 3 to 4 times, guys. Depends how tight you want it. Then that's it. Then you just do your whole head, guys. Don't aim for perfection. You see, when you're doing yourself, just aim for, a good thing, not perfection. Else you're gonna suffer. This life no power. comments, yeah, and then someone was like, this person actually knows me. The person was like, you know what, Mimi, I actually didn't know you have personality. What do you think I have? Eh? Oh, but I laugh. I'm just like, yeah, like, what do you have to say? So yes, I do have personality. I guess we all do, don't we? We all do, nigga, please. Nigga, bye. Nigga, bye. My phone is on top of books, and my tripod is my bottle of water. A big one. Like literally, starting YouTube, you gotta improvise. You have to be innovative, eh? My social handle, yeah. Check my TikTok account. I have a lot of like shots of how I do some hairstyles. You know, I want to be something now. So it's alright, you know. So this is the outcome, guys, so far. So this is, obviously it's not perfect, but you know, it's something that will keep you for the week. If you want perfection, you can always like open your lines very neat, you know, and hold it more tighter or make smaller twists. But I was just looking for something really jumbo and thick, because I don't want anything small. Small things take time to do, and I ain't got time for that. Yeah, I'll be looking like a whole meal. There's another way to do it, yeah. Instead of doing the whole twist, you can unravel your twist and just like detangle your hair. Then you just take your hair as it is, hold it, retwist it. This is second way to do it. Then you twist it. Do you see it? So there's this one that's untwist, and then this one that's twist. So it's up to you, whatever way that works for you, child. Do you, as long as it makes you happy. I'm just showing you how I do it. You can always, you know, twist it in some way, twist it in a different notch, you know, as long as it looks how you want it. This is just an example. Do it how you want, child. So just comment down below, what are your disadvantages of doing this hairstyle? Yeah, this is my disadvantage. You see, it literally came out like, are you really a loop band? It just came out. If you like the hairstyle, please like. If you don't like the hairstyle still, please like, you know. I'll be showing you more other hairstyles, so you have options and all that good stuff.